Recent years, we have published or going to publish a bibliometric analysis, and that shows rapid global growth in photography. Is lot of people are working on this in this area, with India, Pakistan, China, Iraq, and many other countries as leading contributors. India researchers, including those from our university, rank among the most prolific authors in this area. High citation papers, strong international collaboration, and expanding applications highlight the your world's racing scholarly area. So I am deeply honored to welcome our distinguished speaker from Professor Jose Marigold from the University of Technology, Sydney, from Australia, and Professor Sunil Methu from United Calicut, Kerala. I sincerely thank both of them readily accepting our invitation and joining us today on online level. I also grateful to our faculty member, Dr. Ganesh Kodai, and another faculty member from Tamrolipto Mahavidyalaya, Dr. Shobhan Shamantu. They also delivered their lecture in this workshop. So all these speakers have made significant and impactful contribution in fuzzy graph theory. A total 175 participants have joined this workshop. Most of them are the students of our department, 20 from different colleges across the country, and 2 from Kathmandu University and 1 from Yuval University in Nepal. So as the convener of this workshop, I hope today's deliberation will inspire new insights on this area, stimulate collaboration, and encourage deeper exploration into this vibrant field of photography. I thank all participants for the presence and enthusiasm. My sincere appreciation also goes to our Honorable Vice Chancellor, who is present with us, faculty members, research scholar, and organizing committee for their dedication to organize this workshop in a very short notice. With this word, I once again welcome you all and wish a great success of this workshop and hope the participant will learn a lot of things from this workshop. So thank you all. Thank you, our convener and our head, Mr. Sabu Murpha, for his welcome address. Uh, so, so, the participants who are present now, they will be learn a lot of things about graph theory, including Fuzzy also. Actually, it's a very interesting branch of mathematics, and this subject has been introduced from a puzzle, seven bridge Konig's bar problem. I think you know from that is the origin of these branches. Uh, Now I request our honorable Vice Chancellor Sir, Professor Deepak Kumar Mahasway, for his inaugural address. So we are lucky he is present with us, and his presence actually adds immense value to this event. Sir, please. Very good morning, Whenever I come to mathematics department, I always feel hype, which is not usually I get from in other places. So I feel happy to be here in this morning, esteemed professors of the department, including head of the department, as well as IQC director, Professor Paul, Professor Shankar Rai, uh, আমাদের পুরো নাম ভুলে গেলাম। Anyway, all of my respected colleagues, professors, Professor Shamal Mohammed, হ্যাঁ শ্যামল বাবু, আর আমাদের উনি হচ্ছেন শ্যামল বাবু, দিলীপ বাবু আসেন। Thank you very much. Uh, Dear research scholars and students, and all the participants who are, I think, online, both national from our state, from other states of the country, as well as uh, from abroad. Uh, it really gives me immense pleasure to inaugurate this workshop, which is though national has been termed, but I think it has already become international by being the participants being from Bangkok or Nepal. Anyway, so the workshop, which is on celebration of 50th year of Bhadiga theory, not being a person of mathematical background, but yesterday I was speaking in a class in our campus on mathematics behind genetics. Uh, Actually, you see, mathematics is so powerful. আমরা সেই জন্য বলি mother of all subjects, science subjects. I'm sharing you one of my observation in my subject, genetics. The father of genetics, Gregor Johann Mendel, who discovered the very basic principle of heredity, of genetics, not being a biologist, being a mathematician. That says how powerful the subject mathematics is. I was speaking in the class about the mathematical background behind উনি যদি ম্যাথমেটিক্সের লোক না হতেন, he could not realize or he could not promulgate the the basic principle behind genetics, behind heredity. So the mathematical model, what he illustrated against the observation in the field of garden bee was the very basic of the discovery of genetics. At the time, people do not know what is chromosome, what is DNA, what is zinc, what is another nucleus, but he discovered the very basic pattern behind genetics. He had not the idea of physical existence of factor, but he could realize that the factor is there, what is the behavior of the factor, mathematically illustrated, and he has given the mathematical model behind the hybridization program of this subject. Anyway, I congratulate the Department of Mathematics, including mathematics, I mean applied mathematics. The department is actually applied mathematics for taking this initiative, which brings together the scholars from across the country to explore the evolution and future directions of this influential field. The particular theory which I could understand from Professor Paul, the fuzzy logic introduced by Jade has revolutionized the classical reasoning by allowing the truth values to span the continuum between complete truth and complete falsehood. It models real world uncertainty and supports flexible, human-like decision making, and its applications extend across control systems, image processing, artificial intelligence, complex modeling, making it a pillar in computational intelligence. This logic was developed in 1975, and truly we are celebrating 50 years, which is used as model networks with uncertainty in nodes and edges, enabling the accurate representation of ambiguous, imprecise, and dynamic real-world system. Indian researchers, including those working in particle theory at our university, Vidyasagar University, have played a significant role in advancing this field, contributing impactful theoretical developments and diverse applications. I think this workshop promises to inspire new ideas, collaborations, and directions for research. And I encourage all participants online as well as here to engage actively, exchange your knowledge, contribute to the continued growth of this vibrant discipline. And I am really thankful as Vice Chancellor to all the speakers of this university and esteemed speakers from abroad and online. Professor Joseph Merigo Lindell from School of Computer Science, University of Technology, Sydney, Australia, and Professor Dr. Sunil Matthew, the Department of Mathematics, NIT, Calicut, Kerala, for their readiness to accept our invitation to deliver their lecture. With these words, I am delighted to declare the national workshop on Bhadigraph theory open. Thank you very much. Thank you, sir, for your valuable discussion, deliberations about this workshop. Now I request our inaugural, our vice chancellor, sir, please open this news bulletin. Oh, it was a public domain. Sorry, I tell you. Okay. So now we are opening our new bulletin from our department, in which the developments of the department of last 2 years have been explored. Please read out this bulletin. So all are requested to take the correct materials, read out the important. Very good. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. Thank you. Oh, I know. আপনার আমার এই উনি আসলে ঠিক আছে চললাম now we arrive at the end of this inaugural ceremony. Now I request our colleague, Dr. Krishnan Borman, to give vote of thanks. Please, Krishnan. A one and very good morning to all our most well invited chief guest, Honorable Vice Chancellor sir, our eminent guest speaker, all dear participants, my dear research scholar, my dear first semester student and last semester student, and my dear friends. It's my privilege to address the vote of thanks for this auspicious occasion. I, on behalf of the organizing member for the one-day national workshop on algebra theory in hybrid mode organized by our Department of Applied Mathematics, Vidyasagar University, and on my own behalf, extend to a very heartfelt thanks and gratitude to our Honorable Vice Chancellor Sir, Professor Deepak Kumar Kaur, for his nice and inspiring inaugural speech. We are all inspired by his great words. I am very much thankful to our Honorable Vice Chancellor Sir for his continuous support and advice, which have greatly helped towards the success of this workshop. Thank you so much, sir. The elegance of my own thoughts and interpretation of everything, I need to mention my deep sense of appreciation. I am very much thankful to our plenary speaker, Professor Josh M. Marigo, University of Technology, Sydney, Australia, and Professor Sunil Matthew, NIT Calicut, Kerala, for kindly accepting our invitation and gracing the event. Today, we have the opportunity to hear your thoughts and knowledge, and this is definitely encouraging us in our future days. Your thoughts have enlightened our minds and shown us a new path. A big thank you to professors for your kind consent and effort to deliver the lecture. Honestly, I have no word strong enough to express my deep gratitude to respected Professor, Professor Mudhumangal Pam, HOD of our department, convener of this workshop, director of IQC, and also to the speaker who always guide us, lead us, and inspire us. Your thoughts are sorry. I must mention our deep sense of appreciation to Dr. Ganesh Goda, joint convener of this workshop, and also to this speaker. Thank you so much, sir, for your great effort. I may like to express our sincere thanks to the invited speaker, Dr. Shobhan Samanto from Tamilputta Mahavidyalaya, for accepting our invitation to deliver the lecture. We have been fortunate enough to backed by a team of very motivated and dedicated colleagues. I take this opportunity to express my sincere thanks to respected professors, Professor Samal Kumar Mandal, who is hosting the event, Professor Shankar Kumar Roy, Professor Dilip Kumar Maiti, Dr. Raghunandan Giri for their outstanding contribution. I am also thankful to Mr. Asabal Babu and Noanda for their all-time helping hands and continuous support. Last but not the least, I would like to convey a very thankful to all the participants, my dear research scholar and my dear first semester and third semester student for their enthusiastic participation on this workshop. I am sure that the participant have must have benefited by attending this workshop. Thank you everyone. Have a wonderful day. Thank you. Thank you, Adhyapak Krishnendu Burman, for his vote of thanks. Uh, with this vote of thanks, basically, this is the end of this inaugural session. After that, we are going to start our lecture session. Basically, for which you are waiting, and you are very eager to gather your knowledge about Hardy theory. First speaker. Actually, basically, there are 5 lectures. Lecture 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And last of all, vote of thanks. Okay, thank you, Shamlo. So now we are going to start our technical session for this national workshop on Hazard theory. The first lecture will be delivered by Professor Muhammad Khan, and the chairperson for this session is our research Professor Samal Kumar. So may I now request to act as the chairperson for this session. Thank you. Please.